here. Okay, it's a little dirty down here, but this is typically how it looks, so oh well, I'm not gonna try to clean it up. So we are about to do our morning routine. Like, this is my newly 2-year-old. She just turned 2 a few days ago, didn't you? How old are you? How old are you? Can you say 2? Yeah. 2. Good job. 2. So she just turned 2, and I just want to show you what we do every single day. And it's so easy, it's so fast. And I'm actually just going to take a little time. I'll make a separate video specifically on pretty much everything you need to know about flashcards. But just a little, I know there may be some people who are hesitant to use flashcards or don't like using flashcards because they think that it may bore the child or it may give the child anxiety or whatever, I don't know. But flashcards are a great way to build memory and whatever. So I won't use flashcards to teach life skills. Like, it just doesn't make sense. I'll just let my children have a hands-on activity of a life skill activity. I don't use flashcards for motor skills. No, I let them play with Play-Doh. I let them do things that are going to engage those motor skills. But when it comes to the alphabet, letters, numbers, colors, these are things that actually need to be mastered and in a sense drilled into your child. But the way you do it, the way you go about it, is gonna really bring the success. And I feel like this one I thought I was gonna have to really switch up how I taught, because the way I taught my daughter, she was around, I'm pretty sure she was around 2 when she was able to know her letters, numbers, colors, everything. Like, she's right at 2. And I really, really believe flashcards are the reason why. And the thing about flashcards, again, they help build memory. So once the child starts to remember the order of things, then you have to take them out of order to make sure they really know it. And that's why you have other activities to reinforce what they're learning. However, I don't teach letters, numbers, colors, shapes in a like spontaneous way. I really just keep it simple. It has worked for my girls. And I think that you should give it a chance. Obviously, it's not for everybody. Yes, my coffee's hot, baby. It doesn't work for everybody. It's not for everybody. However, I would definitely recommend you give it a try. Don't knock it till you try it. Anyways, I want to show you what we do in the morning. It's super fast. It's so much fun, and she absolutely loves it. So let's get into it. It's literally so simple. Here's our little basket. It's filled with the flashcards. These I've been using for 4 years. Got them from Goodwill. Literally the best purchase ever. And then the alphabet, and then the rest of these are just books. And throughout the day, we'll do other activities, but she really gets to lead and guide those activities. I don't really structure her day. She just turned 2, so I don't really feel the need to give her this structured day, but I do just feel the need to make sure she knows her numbers, letters, colors, as soon as possible. I just say, why not as soon as possible, you know, and I just go at her pace. Yes, baby, you want to eat? We just ate. Okay, hold on, let's go get, okay, hold on. All right, so anyways, I know you ready. She absolutely loves doing this. Learning should be fun for children. If it's not fun, then you have to switch things up. That's always what I tell people. If learning is not fun, if they're not eager to do it, well, let me not even say eager. If they're just kind of giving you resistance, switch it up. You know, find your child's thing. So yeah, let's get this party started. Ready to get this party started? Yes, yes, say whoop whoop. And I will do flashcards with my new little one as well. And we're adding a new number today. We're adding 11 to our 1 through 10. We actually didn't do this yesterday because I go, anyways, you don't care about that. But, you ready? All right, so here we go. Let's start with numbers. Can you say numbers? 0, 1,
2, 3,
yes, it's a 1 and a 0. You're right. That's 10. We got a new number. You ready? 11. Can you say 11? You ready for your shapes? Can you say shapes? What shape is that?
Ready?
What shape is this? So I've taken these out of order now. She's used to a specific order. I've taken them out of order. Just throw that out there. What shape is this? Square.
Yeah.
Oval. I know. I think you fit it. Here. What shape is this?
Mama.
Diamond. Octagon.
Mama.
A moon. Can you say crescent?
Yeah.
No, it's not a square. It's a rectangle. Rectangle.
Papa.
Boom, boom. Heart. Yes, heart. She points to little hearts in the house. Heart. No, what is that? Circle. Yes, that's a circle. Yes, that's a circle. Oh, look at the little ring. That's a circle. And what's this? Your favorite? Yes, you ready?
Yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Yay! Clap for belly. And we have one more. Triangle. Can you say triangle? Triangle. Good job. Clap for yourself. Yay! You ready for colors? Red. Brown. Green. White. Yellow. Black. Pink. Eat. Did you say eat or pink? Pink. Look at mama. Blue. Blue. Can we do those again?
Yeah.
Red. Brown. Look at the cards. Green. White. Yellow. Black. Pink. Blue. Blue. Yay! Clap for yourself, belly. Clap. Good job. You okay?
Yeah.
Sorry. Now we're gonna do our letters. And we do the letter sounds, and this helps with early reading. I know. So you're gonna notice she always points out just how the she really points it out on the letter U every single day. Just how the card, the laminator, just kind of, you know, got a little messed up. But anyways, no, A, B, D, D. I know. What's this one? I know. What's this one? I know. I know. What's this letter?
Ba.
No, what's the letter?
E.
Eh.
E.
Look at mama.
E.
Eh. Not eh. Eh. G.
Da. E.
Eh. I know. J. J. J.
Da.
Good job. Ooh. Her face is so funny. Ooh. Ooh.
E.
Mmm.
O.
What's this one? Mmm. What's this one?
O.
Oh.
O.
Oh. What's this one?
Ba.
Good job. Qua. Qua. Qua.
U.
Good job. You wanna eat it? Okay, eat it. Let's eat one at a time so we don't get them out of order. Mmm. So yummy, isn't it? What letter is this? Oh, let's do the sound first. One at a time, Bugs. We're gonna do one at a time. So now that I see, typically she doesn't do this, but now that I do recognize she's having a hard time, I just go through them quickly. Ta, woo, v. Oh, you want to see I know. Oh no. Oh no. Can we fix it? Okay, let's fix it. Okay. Can you say Wow. V. Wow. What? So her old cards used to have a whistle on the W, so she always connects whistle and W. What? Yeah. Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! Can you say bye? Thank you so much, Bella, for letting them see you do your learning. Thank you. Can you say bye? Say bye, friends. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Send this to your little ones, not your little ones. Send it to your friends who have little ones around the same age. This is just a part of our routine, and I absolutely love it. Seriously, so fast. It takes about 10 minutes of our morning, and I love how I can take them anywhere. So if you guys want to see more videos on flashcards, why I use flashcards and the beauty of flashcards, stay tuned, because even if you don't comment, I'm still gonna do it. Anyways, bye.